What's going on, Game Time Gurus Nation? Once again, Tony with you another day, another wage, and we're excited today, guys, to share our ledger, share what we've been doing. We haven't been with you guys in a while. It's 9/23, 2019. And so we just wanted to share this aftermath after a great week, Sunday, NFL Sunday. We're going to break down some of these wages. Now, keep in mind, guys, a couple of disclosures before we begin. These videos are not to brag. They're not to show out. None of those things. We just want to show proof, guys. We want to show proof that we're an elite squad. We're an elite team. We're an elite sports pick service. We know how to find leverage, and there's secrets to that. And so when you see this ledger and you see these wins, I believe it's 33-11 the last 10 days, 9/13 to today. 33-11, which we're going to check on our winning percentage calculator, is about a high 75%. Now, it's already known that I think it's 62 or 63% a winning record. That means you're going to be in profit and you're not going to be in the loss column when it comes to your money. So when we started this case study, I would call it, we said we wanted to take $100 and we're going to turn it into 1,000 so we could show those who feel like they can't do this, the little guy, man, I can't do this, or I don't have an opportunity. You have an opportunity in this particular market. This is me and my buddy, my business partner, the other guru, Game Time Gurus. We love to call this the poor man's stock market, right? So, meaning you don't have to have a lot of money to get in. You don't have to have a lot of money to start it, right? I started with $100, right? I got a job, I'm working, so this is discretionary income. I blow it anyway, right? I started with $100, and this is where we're at, guys. $935, and just a little bit over a month of waging. And that was because I took a couple of days off because my son is having a few health issues, guys. So we're gonna jump right into it, guys, and we're gonna show you this winning edge that we have when we betting live. If you haven't seen the training, you need to get the training so you can, at least get an understanding of how we do this. And if you have seen it and still don't understand, look at it. The next part of your learning will be to pay so you can earn while you learn. So basically be a VIP paid member. You'll be able to come into the betting room, the live betting portal, right? And you'll be able to get in on these moves while we're doing them live, right? And so that puts you in the money as well. So look, you can give us $100. Start with $100. Start with 50. If you're just in that position, right? If you start with 50, you're gonna be a $5 guy. If you start with 100, you're gonna be a $100 guy, right? And then as you grow your bankroll, your measures change. So I started with $10, guys. $10 a wage from that $100. They gave me 50, so I was at 150. Oh, great head start. $10, boom. So I'm already, so now I'm $935 in their pocketbooks. So and so it's a great market. When you know what you're doing, you can win. This is not luck. I don't want to hear people say, "Oh, this is gambling." This is skill. This is about going in when you can move in a market that's live and you can watch your money. You can make decisions based off of what you see your money doing. And so this is what we're trying to show you. So look, so we're just going to go right here. We already started, right? So let's kind of go down a little bit right there. Let's see. So 9/13, we placed the wage, Washington Cougars against Houston, right? We won that one, right? So we're going to count down our wins. So it's 33-11. I already counted it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. These are the last 10 days of transactions, last 10 days of waging. So when you get the gurus on your side, guys, we're in the trenches all day. All day. The action is moving, and we're in the action, right? So Washington State win, right? So let's count them. That's a loss. Clemson, I like the Clemson over. They disappointed me. I didn't have an opportunity to hedge the Clemson over, So we got 2 losses right there. I just had to drop those. So we got 2 losses. I let my card say, so it's 1 and 2 right there, right? 2 and 2. So we got a Texas Tech and Arizona, 64.5. Got that. Great value. Boom. Win. 2 and 2. So we're going to just count them down. We don't have a lot of time. We're just going to go up every time we see win. Every time you see win, that means money is in the bag, right? 3 and 2. 4 and 2. This is a parlay. It really doesn't count. We do this with discretionary money. Quick side note. Parlays are to be done with a little bit of change. I think I put $9 on this. I just lost 2. I went 5 and 2, but it was 9 to win 1,000. So we're going to count it as a loss. So we'll count it as a loss. So, right. So we got, let's go back. So that's 1, 2. Of course, we got the first one. So right now we're 3 and 1, right? 3 and 1. This will be 3 and 2. This will be 3 and 3 and 3 and 4, right? So we lost 2 right there. Great moves. Just want to talk about the losses. Anytime we lose, it's right on the mark. Right on the mark. We lost that by the hair. By the hair. It was one play that turned that into an L. So right now, keep going. So where are we at? I got to keep going back every time I stop. So this is a win. Let's just show you. I'm going to discount them. Win. 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 Look at the winning streak. Win. Win. You can count them at home. Win. 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 Loss. Win. Washington Nationals. This is MLB. Washington Nationals. Win. Washington Nationals. Another one in the bag. Loss. Mets and the Rockies. Loss. Win. 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 All these teaser plays. Win. I don't have time to just talk about them. Win. Win. Loss. Win. 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 Uh-oh, we on the winners. This is a parlay, so that's gonna be a loss. Win. Loss. Win. 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 Loss. 33 and 11, guys. Let's go do it. Let's look at it. I thought it was 30 and 11. It's actually 33 and 11. I counted it. 75%. So, like I said, I think it's 64.5 keeps you in profit, and you don't have to worry about tanking on your money. So, so the thing about it is, guys, we're at 75%. These are the last 10 days of transactions. 33 and 11. That means that's not just us saying, oh, we happen to win. We stumbled up on it. We got it today. No, this is constant consistency, pounding, sticks moving. Every time you see those winning streaks, that money's growing. That money's going up. And now my measures are at $40. So every time I get a good one, I'm getting 30. Look at that, to win 33. That's what the 40 did, right? Look at all of these. These are all wins. So you see, this is how you begin to build your bankroll. This is how you begin. Once you give yourself raises. So when I got to $400, I started waging $40. Now I can cause a lot of damage. Once I get to $1,000, then if I choose to, I can stay on the 40. I like this rhythm because the 40 is really turning over. 3 40s in the bag, and you're already at another $100 bill, right? Because you're getting 33 off of each one. So the 40 that you're using to get it, you get that back plus your 33. So 33 times 3, that's $99. So 3 of those that's already $100. So great measure. I like it. So we're building on a great speed, right? And then as you get up bigger, you increase. You can say $100 so move, right? Because you want to spread your love out and you want to be consistent with the wins, guys. So we teach all of this while you're in. Not gonna do too much more talking, guys. Become a VIP member, join the camaraderie, join some of our other clients that are making money. Be a Game Time Gurus affiliate, and we'll see you on the other side, guys. God bless you. Another Aftermath. We'll be back. We're steady moving. It's Monday night football. We're gonna mark it that I would call this game out. So we talked about the game. So me and my partner, we deliberate these games, and a lot of these wins we talked about the games prior to the event happening, and just making the right moves, and then once you're in live, you're able to do even more. So tonight, I believe it's going to be the Bears, and the Bears. Let me think who the Bears are playing. Let's see. Maybe we need to go pull it up. No, the Bears and the Skins. I know my stuff. So the Bears and the Skins. So we talked about that. So looks like this probably is going to be an under game. Matter of fact, we can go right to it and see what the line is. Right. So when you get these other pick services, and I have to move quickly because we only have 15-minute videos, and so I have to do another video just for this section. So, but when you have these other pick services, they give you these plays that you can play on the board. Look, these are live betting odds right now. This is whatever this is, whatever lead this is. It's a stock market going on right now. See, these are all live. Look at these next events. These are college football. But what I want to do is I want to go to the NFL. Let's look at the line. Let's see what the line looks like. So this is the line from the jump. So they know it's going to be a defensive game. Anytime you see a 41 before the game starts, they mean this is going to be a low-scoring game. So we got little tricks of the trade that once this game starts, this number is going to start changing. So when you see this number change, you get an opportunity to buy that number at a more exaggerated level to give you more leverage and cushion to win money. So Chicago Bears and the Skins. A lot of people look at the cover. We look at the cover too, but the total is where we really make our money. So why not? Why change the formula? We look at the total first. So 41, that's going to definitely be an under game. I don't like 41 as an under. It's too low. You know what I mean? So what we like to do is if it's a little scoring, we can find that under going. So this is better as an over, even though it's going to be a defensive game. 41 is 21-20, right? So that's still a defensive game. That's not a bonfire, right? But it's still 21-20, and can easily be done. And that under can kill you. But what you do is you wait till live, and these numbers exaggerate, and you still get an opportunity one side or the other. Bears and Skins. If I was riding with this game, I would take the Skins with +5. So we're calling these two. These are kind of what we would do. Now, a lot of things we can do is we can put a teaser together and make this, which we'll do that. We got 2 minutes. Maybe we can do it real quick. So this is what we do, guys. This is how we go in and win. So if I like this one, and this is just an example, guys, I might change my mind before it's all said and done. So if I like that and I like the under, I can tease this and make it a little bit more favorable what I like far as the numbers are concerned. So look, let's go to this teaser. I got like a minute left. Let's just do it real quick, right? Show you a live move that you can do before the game, and then get in the game and win too. So we're going to tease these two picks. So now I got +11 with the Skins. And the under is at 47, so it's almost at 50. That's a better fit for this game. Then you can kind of put a 50 to win 41-67. Or you can do 100 and you got 83-33, right? So now I got an exaggerated favorable odds for myself. They're cutting the money a little bit, but hey, I'm just trying to flip it.